Hi everybody, it's Monica Dunlap, your local real estate agent, Totally About Houses team, Keller Williams. And it is Christmas week. So first of all, I wanted to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas. I hope it's a great one for you, and I heard it's going to be cold and it may snow. Okay, so talking about gifts and Christmas, did you know 2021 is right around the corner? And you may be thinking about purchasing a home next year, but it may not have the funds available to be able to put a down payment. Well, you definitely have options if that's the case. First of all, did you know that you could receive a gift from a relative or family member that could help you towards a down payment? And we're going to talk about a little bit about that today. But also, did you know that you can also be eligible? There's loans out there that are zero down. We've got the rural housing loan. We've talked about that before. We've also got the Kentucky DAP funds, which you could receive $6,000 for the purchase of a home. Now, it has to be a first-time home buyer, and there's some stipulations there. But a lot of times, you don't need a lot of money in order to purchase a home. However, if you do have a family member or somebody close to you willing to give you a gift, it may be a great opportunity for you to be able to purchase a home. So who is eligible to give you a gift as a down payment? Well, it can be, you may automatically consider a family member like a parent or a brother or sister when thinking about who can give a mortgage down payment gift. There are other people who are also eligible, but certain loans have certain strings attached, and you want to make sure that it all pans out. So if you are getting a loan through Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, gifts can only be from family members or relatives. This may be your spouse, a child, siblings, parents, grandparents, or anyone related by blood, marriage, adoption, or legal guardianship. Soon-to-be family members such as a domestic partner, fiance, or even future in-laws are also eligible as well for a down payment. So it depends on what loan you're looking for, okay? So FHA loans. The FHA has its own set of rules when it comes to giving or receiving down payment gifts. Although they may give a broader eligibility range, if you are getting an FHA loan, you can receive a down payment funds from family members, friends who have clearly defined and documented interest in your life, employers, labor unions, government agencies, and even charitable organizations. For an FHA loan, that means you don't have to have just a family member, someone related by blood or marriage, in order to be giving you a gift. There's eligibility for people outside of that, such as employers like we talked about. For rural housing loans, which again, that alone you can get as a zero down payment loan, or VA home loans, which that's backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs. Down payment gift funds cannot come from anyone who would benefit from the proceeds of the purchase, such as the seller, the developer, building, your real estate agent, or some other entity that could benefit from the sale. So for those loans, it can't be from anyone that's going to benefit from it. And so are there any limits on down payment gifts? There are no limits on the amount of money someone can give you for a down payment to cover the down payment and closing costs. However, the rules still apply depending on the type of loan and property, just kind of like we talked about. The key is to check with your lender first for the latest regulations of what you can really use, okay? So there are some guidelines using a gift as a down payment to purchase your dream home. First of all, they'll need to confirm the relationship between you and the giver and to provide the right paperwork. So if it is a spouse or a family member, it'd be different than if it's an employer, and depending on what kind of loan you're looking to get. A lot of times, lenders will require a down payment gift letter from the purpose that's giving to you. So they would have the person that's giving you the gift, they'd have to write a letter explaining why they would need to. In addition, lenders will also require a lot of times the gift giver's bank statements to make sure they do have the funds available to give you, and they're just not a false promise. They're going to verify that, of course. And another thing, of course, they're going to ask for a bank slip from the bank account as well to indicate that the money was actually transferred from the gift givers into your account. Now remember, if they're going to get a gift, you can't pay back the gift. You can't do a backdoor deal. That's not legal. So a gift is just that. It's a gift that someone's giving you. And also they suggest try to make it a seasoned gift. So it makes more sense to make the gift money seasoned, which means that they give it to you a couple months ago and it's sitting in your account waiting for the a down payment. So as opposed to a last minute gift, if it's a gift, make sure it's planned out. It's better. So bottom line, down payment gift funds make it easier for you as a first-time home buyer to afford a home. And if you're anticipating needing help, remember to consider the rules. And I'm going to put all of this in part of the blog so you can kind of see and outline each one. Again, if you have any questions about it, there are lots of options for 2021 for you as a first-time buyer to be able to afford a home. And I know I rent out homes too. A lot of times it is still cheaper to buy than to rent, because when you're renting, you need a lot of times Social Security deposit, first month's rent, possibly last month's rent. That can add up. So think about it. Work on your credit scores if it's not there. Ask me if you have any questions about what's it going to take for you to purchase a home in 2021. It could be a gift, but there's those programs where it could be a 0 down payment loan. We can help. We have great lenders on hand, such as Elaine Havens with American Mortgage, who can help you. So I hope that was helpful. Look for the blog, see which way to go. And if you're looking to purchase this year, myself or a member on my team are there and happy to help. Hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. Appreciate you, and I'll see you next week. Bye.